Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to you all. I hope everyone day is going great and thank you for joining me once again. Thank you for all your support, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you become a part of this channel if you like what you see. There are some deals to be picked up at CVS this week. Just make sure you're scanning the items in the store to see if they're attaching to the coupons and CRTs you have. And also check your Ibotta for extra savings. The first deal I have will be on General Mills cereal, the 10.4 to 12.5 ounces, they on sale for $1.99. Picking up 2 of the Cheerios, the total will be $3.98. And we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Actually, some apps have 2. Check yours. If you click the first one we have and we just got another one, that means you're going to have 2. 2 of them are going to double dip and take off $2, leaving you to pay just $1.98. Then check your Ibotta because it's giving back $1 when you buy 2. But if you want to do the Lucky Charms, mine have $1.50 back when you buy 2, so that will be cheaper. But if you're doing the Cheerios, these 2 items are going to end up costing you just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Colgate Total Toothpaste. They are part of the spend 10, get $5 back, and this is a limit of 2. Picking up 2 of the Colgate Total priced at $5.59 each is going to total $11.18. We all received a $2.50 digital coupon today that is going to apply and drop it down to $8.68. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit to Shopkick for $2.50 back on the second item. That will end up making these 2 items $1.18 or 59 cents each. The next deal I have is when you buy any Radius Big Kids Forever brush or brush heads, the 2 counts, you get $2 back, and this is a limit of 2. I don't have any coupon for this, but picking up the 2 count brush heads priced at $6.49, pay that and get $2 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back 50 cents, limit of 5. That will end up making this product just $3.99. This week we have buy 2 raw sugar products, you get $3 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the raw sugar hand soap, priced at $5.79 each. These 2 items are going to total $11.58. We don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. Pay the $11.58. Get $3 back, making both items $8.58 or $4.29 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on any Aveeno or Neutrogena hand and body lotion, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Aveeno body lotion, the 8 ounces, priced at $9.79 each. These 2 items are going to total $19.58. Check your app because we have a 5 off 2 Aveeno digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $14.58. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $10.58 or $5.29 each. And if you have a lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal. We have here will be the spend 20 get $10 back on Gold Bond hand and body lotion, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Gold Bond lotion, the 5.5 ounces, priced at $10.29 each. And these 2 items are going to total $20.58. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that is going to apply to one of them. I don't have a second coupon for this, but it's going to drop it down to $19.08. Pay that and get $10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each item. That's a total of $4. That will end up making both items $5.08 or $2.58 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on any soft soap body wash, the 20 ounces, and this is a limit of 1. Be careful with this deal because it's just the 20 ounces that is included in this deal. Picking up 2 at $6.59 each, the total will be $13.18. We have a $2.50 off digital coupon, and you can go to softsoap.com and print out a 75-cent coupon for the second item. It's going to drop it down to $9.93. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $5.93 or $2.97 each. The next deal will be on L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care, the shampoo and conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Picking up 2, you can mix or match anyhow you want, but if you want to pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner at $9 for both, we all received a 3 off 2 digital coupon today that is going to apply and drop it down to $6. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal is on Clairol hair color. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 is priced at $9.49 each. It's going to total $18.98. You can use the 6 off 2 coupon that we got from the 11.5 savings set, or you can use the one we have in our app, 6 off 2. Both can double dip if you want to do that way. But if you're using just one of the 6 off 2 coupon, it's going to drop it down to $12.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal I have is when you buy any 4-hours hair treatment or mask, you get $2 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $4. Picking up 4 at $8. I don't have any coupon or CRT for this, but it can be a good filler item. So pay the $8 and get $2 back, making all 4 items $6 or $1.50 each. If you still have your Revlon mystery offer from last 2 weeks, you can do this deal. Revlon is on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and a good way to do this, because I don't have any coupon, is picking up one of the nail polish priced at $6.49, and you can also pick up the emery board. My store is priced at $5.99, and at my store there is only one. That's why I'm combining it with the nail polish. These 2 items are going to total $12.48. If you have that $4 instant CRT we received last 2 weeks, I printed mine out, so it's going to expire on Saturday, but my store still accepts expired CRT up to 2 days. Use the $4, it's going to drop it down to $8.48. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $3.48 or $1.74 each. And this can also be a good filler item. The next makeup deal I have here will be on L'Oreal Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the mono shadows priced at $6.99 is going to total $13.98. Last 2 weeks we received a $3 mystery offer. If you printed yours out, it will expire on Saturday. It expired already on Saturday. And if your store accepts expired CRT, you can use it. And today we received another $3. Both CRTs are going to drop it down to $7.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you like Sally Hansen nail polish, we have a spend 8 get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the Insta Dry, priced at $7.99. That's within the 98% rule. Last week we received a mystery offer of $3. If you printed yours out, you can be able to use it with this deal because it expired on Saturday. Using the CRT is going to drop it down to $4.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making it just $2.99. Another good makeup deal we have this week is buy 3 get $10 back on any Neutrogena cosmetics, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover priced at $6.79 each, and make sure you're picking up this deal from the Neutrogena makeup aisle because the one in the facial care is not working. These 3 items are going to total $20.37. Today we all received a $3 mystery offer. I scanned this item and it's attaching to it. That means it's going to work. With this CRT, it's going to drop it down to $17.37. Pay that and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend $20. That will end up making these 3 items $2.37 or 79 cents each. The next deal I have will be on the Palmolive dish soap, the 20 ounces. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. I'll be picking up 2 of the 20 ounces, priced at $4.99. One will be full price and one will be half off. I have this 75-cent coupon I got from coupons.com that I'll be using on one, and for the second one, I'll be using a digital coupon of 75 cents as well. It's going to drop it down to $5.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $3.99 or $2 each. The next deal I have will be the buy 2 get $5 back on Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll or Viva 6 Big Rolls, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Cottonelle. They're on sale for $10.99 each, and the 2 of them are going to total $21.98. We have a $2 coupon in our app that is going to apply and drop it down to $19.98. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to ShopMium for $2 back on the second Cottonelle. That will end up making these two products $12.98 or $6.49 each. I'll be showing you guys a very easy and simple way to do the spend 30 get $10 back, and remember this deal is a limit of 1. Pick up one of the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49 and the smaller Tide Pod, the 16 count, on sale for $5.49. The next item to add to this deal will be the Gain Flings, the 16 counts, on sale for $5.49. And you can also add the Charming Ultra 4 Mega Rolls. They're on sale for $5.79. In case you need the Charming wipes, they're on sale for $5.79, but I'm not adding it to this deal. I just wanted to show you guys in case anybody needs it. The total for these 4 items will be $30.26. And go to P&G website and print out a $3 coupon for the Charming, and for the Tide Pod, print out a $1.50, that's the little Tide Pod, and also for the Gain Flings, print out another $1.50 from the P&G website. You can either use the $3 digital coupon we have for the Tide Pod, or you can print out one from the P&G website. It's going to drop it down to $21.26. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 4 products $11.26 or $2.82 each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for being here every week to support my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.